On this day, in the quiet heart of Phrae Province, the Ton Phueng village committee calls the people together. From across Ban Klang district, families gather, elders, children, and visitors alike, all coming to honor an ancient tradition, the spirit of Grandfather Saming Phrai. The air fills with the rhythm of traditional music as dancers move gracefully, preserving customs passed down through generations. ได้แก่เท่านั้นท่านเท้าสุโธทวีเจ้าภูมิพาลีอะไรขอให้มาปัดโรคปัดภัยปัดเสนียดจันไรบันดาลโชคให้มีชัยแก่ข้าพเจ้า Deep in the forests of northern Thailand, in the ancient lands of prayer, there lives a legend whispered through generations. The story of Grandfather Saming Phrai, a hermit, a sorcerer, a master of the unseen world. He was no ordinary man. Living far from society, deep within the jungle, he was said to command spirits, to wield powerful magic, possess the fearsome energy of the tiger itself. Some believe he was part man, part beast, a guardian of the wild, or something far more dangerous. But it's not fear alone that made his name endure. It was a story of love, a tragic love. Two princesses, longing for a prince they had never met, became consumed by desire. So strong they turned to magic. Many refused to help them until they found him, Grandfather Saming Phrai. From the shadows of the forest he agreed. With ancient rituals, powerful spells, he reached across kingdoms into the mind of Prince Phra Lo. The prince could not resist. His thoughts no longer his own, his heart pulled by invisible force, he began a journey he could not stop. Through mountains, through danger, through fate itself, he traveled toward the princesses. And when his will proved strong, Saming Phrai's magic grew darker. Spirits were summoned, illusions were cast, even the natural world bent to his command, until at last the prince arrived. For a moment love triumphed, but fate had other plans. Their secret was discovered. Old rivalries between kingdoms ignited, and a single tragic ending. The prince and both princesses were killed. The magic had worked, but at a terrible cost. And so the legend of Grandfather Saming Phrai remains, a reminder that power, especially the power of desire and magic, comes with consequences. In the forest of Phrae, some say spirits still linger, watching, waiting, a silent master of the wild, never truly gone. Nearby, monks begin their prayers, their chants and steady voices echoing through the temple, bringing blessings, protection, and spiritual connection. Above the gathering, strings are stretched carefully overhead, reaching across the seated crowd. A person holds a single strand connected to the monks until all the threads come together as one. Symbol of unity, of shared faith, and of a spiritual bond between the people and the sacred. But among the crowd, there is one figure who draws special attention. A woman, believed by many to carry the spirit of Saming Phrai within her soul. Through her, rituals are performed, people approach one by one, seeking guidance, protection, or perhaps something more. a symbol of unity, of shared faith, and of a spiritual bond between the people and the sacred. As the ceremony comes to a close, the atmosphere softens. The villagers gather once more, this time in fellowship. A communal luncheon is shared, stories are told, laughter returns, and the spirit of the day lives on, not in mystery, but in togetherness. Here in prayer, tradition is not just remembered, it is lived.
Nothing like finishing the day with ice cream. Until next time, bye for now. And remember, don't give up.